Guys, oh, okay. Let's get into it. For real this time. Sanbonani Dumelang. Hello, my name is Malwande and welcome to my channel. My hair is definitely clean. I did have a wash day a couple of days ago. So today, as you can see, we're doing a protective style that has a time restriction. So let's get into it. Okay, so as well as this is now, I am trying to set myself up for some sort of success. I did that by pre-potting. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, it's actually 8. Yeah, I have 8 rows on this side, and we can assume I think I have 8 or 9 on this side. That is my back, also pre-potted. I did make a mistake. I forgot to take out one anchor row at the back, which I do because I'm tender-headed. So if you're tender-headed like me, that's definitely a tip for cornrows. Always take out a row at the back where you just do twists. I'm gonna have to section that out while I do these cornrows. I will be using my second phone as the timer. Oh, the things I put myself through. Okay. These are quite small and I did have to pre-pot because I will be wearing these out in public. Okay, so I do need them to look proper, like actual cornrows. Guys, oh, okay. There, you see, 10 minutes. Start. Okay. Oh, I need clips. This is the first row. It is so tiny. Hey, yes. Sometimes we just put ourselves through things. Okay. The last set of cornrows that I did on myself was in June. I remember very clearly. I was at home actually. It was during load shedding. My mom helped me pot my cornrows. She was doing the lines with, so she would open one line and then I cornrow. She comes back, she opens another line and I cornrow. The joys of community ke bandla. Nabazali abathanda inwele njengami. I swear to you, the talking is just to keep me distracted. Because I really don't know what I was thinking. And oh my word, it is so hot. 1 down, 11,000 to go. I can't even find my own pre-potted lines. Wondered what would happen if you paused on all the action. Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah. And I must say, like, pre-potting for cornrows is so much faster than pre-potting for braid. When it comes to braids, I still don't know if pre-potting is really worth my time like that, you know. I really still don't believe. Also, just a heads up, I had moisturized my hair yesterday when I did a different hairstyle. So I did not feel the need to re-moisturize my hair again. On your patience, yeah, but you ain't facing, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just ain't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side, and it's okay for you. Take a day or two, get your mind together, sing it with me, say all to Jesus I surrender, all to thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust him in. One thing is that when I get to the ends of my corners, I will always twist. Okay, right now I'm still securing it, but I always end my cornrows with the mini twist with the twist, because I am thinking about my future. Who is going to be taking these things down? It'll be me. So let me set myself up for an easier takedown. by twisting the ends. Yes, this does mean that my cornrows will shrink more than they would if I would just braid all the way down, but convenience over aesthetics, okay? Convenience first. There we go. On to the next one. Oh my gosh.
I'm in awe. Oh my god. You amaze me. You're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage. So let me get out the way. Cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes. And I just be stuck in the days. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing. Then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it. And I can't commit my own name. Cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets. And if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing. And your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus. I surrender all to thee. I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all. Oh yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. Oh yeah, I
Ah, not me having 2 minutes left. How is this row section? It's just so many pieces. Oh my goodness. Wait. Wait. I had made a mistake and I took out a section from the next line and I could feel it. So it's no man, couldn't do off there. So I just had to go to a bigger mirror to go clear that out. Because the mirror I'm using here is so small, like, yeah, this is a challenge indeed. And now I have a minute left. Oh, Lord. Ah, oh my goodness. Okay, time's up. Okay, let's at least finish this one. Yo, Aisha, my speed since no longer being a full-time hairstylist has reduced drastically, mate. It's reduced drastically, yeah? What? Well, hairstylist me would be so disappointed because what is this? How the mighty have fallen. How the mighty have fallen. How the mighty have fallen. This is all I could do. Literally, and time is up. what I am going to do is just continue to cornrow. I am done. All in all, this probably took me an hour, 10 minutes or something of that nature, because I had to do some other things in between. But definitely, yeah, did not take me longer than an hour and a half. Made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next one.